All right, today we're going to be finishing up Chapter 8, Topic 3, solving rational equations. There's just some more practice problems for solving rational equations. Let's look at number 1. 8 over x minus 5 minus 9 over x minus 4 equals 5 over x squared minus 9x plus 20. All right, first we determine the LCD. So this has factors x minus 4 or 5. This has x minus 4 as factors. This is actually not factored, so we are going to have to factor that first. So this is 8 over x minus 5 minus 9 over x minus 4 equals 5. X squared minus 9x plus 20, that factors into x minus 4, or sorry, x minus 5, x minus 4. So the LCD is going to be what they have in common, which these two have an x minus 5 in common, and these two have an x minus 4 in common. So the LCD is x minus 5, x minus 4. So to get that, we would multiply the first one by x minus 4, multiply the second one by x minus 5, and the last one doesn't need to get multiplied by anything. So if we distribute here, we get 8x minus 32 over the LCD minus 9x minus 45, 9 times 5, over the LCD equals 5 over the LCD. All right, this is subtraction, so both of these will get subtracted. So I got 8x minus 32 minus 9x plus 45 over the LCD equals 5 over the LCD. Combine the like terms, so 8x minus 9x is negative x. Negative 32 and 45, that's 13 over the LCD equals 5 over the LCD. Now that both sides are over the LCD, I can just set the numerators equal to each other. I can solve this for x, so subtract 13. Negative x is equal to negative 8. Divide by negative 1. X is equal to 8. Make sure that it doesn't cause any of your denominators to be 0. And of course it doesn't, because the only restricted values I have are 5 and 4. So this is fine as our solution. Number 2, we have 2 over y plus 3 minus 3 over negative y plus 4. Remember, this needs to be in standard form. 2y minus 2 over y squared minus y minus 12. All right, so of course on this side I can factor out a negative 1. So I got 3 over negative 1 times y minus 4 equals 2y minus 2 over, how does this factor, y minus 4, y plus 3. Yeah. Okay, so my LCD will be what they have in common and what they don't have in common. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a little trick here. This negative 1 as the factor, well, we'll just leave it like this. Okay, so what they have in common, these two have a y minus 4 in common. These two have a y plus 3 in common. What they don't have in common is the negative 1. I really should have put that negative 1 in front. Okay, so to get that, I would have to multiply this one by negative 1 and y minus 4. So negative 1 and y minus 4. To get that on this one, I would have to multiply by y plus 3. And to get that on this one, I would have to multiply by negative 1. All right, so this becomes negative 2, and negative 2 gets distributed through, so it becomes negative 2y plus 8 over the LCD minus 3y plus 9, because this gets distributed, over the LCD equals negative 1, so negative 2y plus 2 over the LCD. All right, combine these into a single fraction, so I got negative 2y plus 8 minus 3y minus 9, because remember this gets distributed, over the LCD equals negative 2y plus 2. Combine the like terms, so I get negative 5y minus 1 over the LCD is equal to negative 2y plus 2 over the LCD. And now they can be set equal to each other since they're both over the same LCD. So negative 5y minus 1 was negative 2y plus 2. And I can solve this for y. So add 5y to both sides. Negative 1 equals 3y plus 2. Subtract 2. So negative 3 equals 3y. Divide by 3. Whoops, is that a y? Negative 3 equals 3y. Negative 1 is equal to y. Check to make sure this is not a restricted value, and of course it's not, so we are fine here. So our solution is negative 1. All right, so here are the homework problems for this topic.